Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Renault RAFALE unveiled as a larger curved SUV with available all-wheel drive. Back in May 2023, Renault unveiled the teaser for their larger sloping SUV, which will be called the RAFALE, named after a racing plane built in 1934. Here it is finally. The RAFALE is a D-segment curved SUV based on a Renault Austral. It is intended to rival similar vehicles such as the Peugeot 408 and Haval H6 GT. This vehicle measures at 4,710mm long and 1,860mm wide. This makes it longer than the Peugeot 408 but shorter than the Haval H6 GT. There are two power options. The first is the strong hybrid carrier from the Austral. This combines a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with a 68 PS motor and a 400-volt battery, combined producing 200 PS and a 410 Nm of torque, driving the front wheels. The second is a plug-in hybrid, which is all-wheel drive, which adds an additional motor on the rear axle. It is expected to produce 300 PS. All versions have 4-wheel steering for reduced turning circle and improved high-speed stability. Not much information is known about the PHEV just yet, but it is not yet clear whether the PHEV system will be transferred to the Austral or the S-Pace. The interior in the RAFALE, however, is a carry from the Austral, which combines a 12-inch infotainment portrait display, a 12.3-inch digital driver display, a sliding center console for the top part being sliding, and an optional head-up display. There is a panoramic glass roof which can go from fully opaque to fully transparent. Because of its sloping roofline, rear headroom can be compromised. However, trunk space is quite larger, at 530 liters, which is 100 more than the Austral E-Tech Hybrid, but 6 less than the Peugeot 408 and 25 less than the Haval H6 GT. The RAFALE will go on sale in Europe from spring 2024, with the UK launch following soon after. Pricing is not confirmed yet. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Renault RAFALE? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.